Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Chrome browser tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to translate from Spanish to English language of any web page using your Chrome browser English translator. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do here is to open up your Chrome browser, and the next thing you want to do is to come down below right here where you have Customize Chrome. Click on that, and the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on Toolbar. So under the toolbar, scroll down right here until you get to Google Translate right here. So here we go. So make sure you turn on this button. Once you turn it on, it becomes active from the top right here. You can see translate this page. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here to close this tab. Next thing we want to do is to come to the address bar right here. Then we make sure we go ahead and enter the Spanish website. So take a look at this particular website right here, cnnespanol.cnn.com. Hit enter, and then it's going to take us to the web page right here. Now, everything written in this particular website here was in Spanish, which is also known as Espanol. How do you translate this into English language without any stress? First thing first, make sure you come to the top right here. So what you want to do here is to go ahead and click on translate this page. And this is going to pop up. You can see Spanish is a detected language. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and then we make sure we click on these three dots right here. Then what we want to do here is to go ahead and click on choose another language. And here we have to click on here. Then we have to make sure we scroll down until we get to English language right here. Then we go back and click on translate. And in a few seconds, everything right here will be fully translated into English language, just like what you see right here. So we can read any news here in English, as you can see. Let's say, for instance, I want to read this particular Ecuador and the US are deepening their strategic alliance against drug trafficking. What does it mean for Colombia? So let me click on the news right here. So you can see at this page here, everything was still written in Spanish language. So what we want to do here is that we need to also translate this part so we'll be able to read. And for that, come to the top right here where you have your translate this page active. Just click on English, and in a few seconds, everything turned to English. It's that simple. You can go now on and translate as many as possible, different language from Spanish to whatever language you understand in your Chrome English translator. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Chrome browser like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.